So Christmas has gone, and I'm about to pack away the last set of boxes and bags in the attic. The rest of my Christmas decor is already put away in storage. I'm not doing this because I'm rushing. I'm doing it to create space as I walk into my next season. The wall where my living room Christmas trees stood is still empty, but I'm feeling good because I'm coming closer to completing my vision. I like moving my body, but one thing, I do not want to have to worry about being supported or held together, and that is why IUGA is the fitness wear for me. Once I put it on and I get moving, I don't have to worry. I'm going back to my routine. I'm easing back into the rhythm, not forcing anything, just taking my time. I love movements, and whenever I work out, whenever I come to the gym, it makes me feel so much better. Movements help me to think clearly. I'm easing back in, nothing extreme. When I am consistent with my movements, it helps me to be more creative. It helps me to be more productive. It helps me to be more organized. It's all about the rhythm. And I'm getting back into it. I am so joyful, and being consistent matters more and gets us further. And being consistent with movements has rewarded me. I really do believe in soft structure, and being consistent with my routines, with my movements, has earned me this collaboration with IUGA. Quality collaborations is just one of the benefits, of the rewards of being consistent. And I'm so thankful. It's another day, but the same routine. Getting back into my rhythm means I try to replicate what I do each day. Each day's routine that brings me the most balance, softness, along with structure. I am making practical decisions now to complete what's going to happen in this corner. It is a part of what's happening for my new season. The beauty about not rushing into the next season is that you would have taken the time to live in the in-between. You would have paused. Allow your vision to evolve. That's what I did. Now I'm confident executing the vision for this wall. Getting back into the rhythm really involves a lot of commitment to working out. And let's be honest, working out is probably one of the first things we put aside when our schedules get busy. That happened in 2025. One of the things I like about whatever I wear at the gym is that I'm supposed to feel confident, and with IUGA's butt lifting leggings, and there's all supportive and fancy sports bras, it not only gives me the support I need, but it gives me confidence. I love it so much that even after the gym, I wear it when I'm going on errands, like today. Going into the next season prepared is the best thing yet. And having all the plans in place, it's time to execute. I am at the Home Depot doing a little bit more research so that when my husband comes, we are ready. And of course, I'm wearing IUGA. When you're doing the right thing at the right time, it feels so organic. And the chair, the accent chair has arrived for this corner, and oh my God, the fruits of just leaning back and allow the wall to speak is coming together. The accent chair is here. On this weekend, my husband will help me to execute the completion. I'm so excited. A couple of you have asked me, what am I going to do about this wall? Now, I just barely packed away Christmas. Some of the stuff are yet to be put away in the attic. Some of my stuff are now in storage, waiting for the season to arrive again. Everything is happening in cycles. I am in between, but I'm getting closer to the next season. This week, I got back into my rhythm, finding my rhythm again for this new year, back into my routine. Some of it the same, some of it familiar, but some of it slightly adjusted. Sometimes our rhythm looks different, and I'm finding a new one for this new year. I wanted a couch that was a single accent, one that highlights my cozy theme. Here it is. I am getting there, getting back to my rhythm.